Hi, and welcome to SecureUSB KP, Change User PIN video tutorial. Today, we will go over the step-by-step process of changing the user PIN on this device. So let's go over the minimum PIN requirements. Your new PIN must be 7 and 15 digits long, must be non-sequential, and cannot contain only consecutive or repetitive numbers. Let's start with the steps to changing the user PIN. First, unlock the device with the existing PIN. Once the device is unlocked, you have 30 seconds to perform the PIN change. To change the PIN, press the key button 2 times. The lock light will blink blue. As the blue light blinks, enter the new PIN. For this particular example, we will change the PIN to 7328735. Once entered, press the key button 2 times. The lock light should change to blinking green. Please note, if your new PIN does not meet the minimum requirements, the lock light will turn solid green instead. As the green light blinks, enter your new PIN again. Then, press the key button 2 times. The lock light will change to solid red, then to solid green. Your device PIN has successfully been changed. This concludes the SecureUSB KP Changing the PIN video tutorial. If you have any questions, please visit securedrive.com/support or call us at 1-800-875-3230.